Hi everyone, my name is Ray. I work for Future Technology Appliance. Today we are going to show you how to archive mailbox on Office 365 or Exchange Online. Microsoft suggests the best practice for the backup, or you can say archive for mailbox, is to do the online archive rather than save or export all your email into PST file. So in that case, you don't need to attach the PST file onto Outlook later on. So that in-place archive will attach to Outlook all the time. So let's have a look at the process to do how to manage the archive. So first, let's have a look at the plan. So normally, Office 365, they have different archive size. So you can see in the screen here. So for Office 365 Business Essentials, you have 50 gigs free archive size. And for the people who has Office 365 Business Premium, they will have 50 gigs free size. And you can see the Office 365 Enterprise E1, you also have 50 gigs. For E3, you have unlimited as well as E5. So before you do the archiving, you have to understand how much free archive size you will have. All right, let's have a look at the process, how to do it. First, we need to create a retention tag. Okay, let's open up Microsoft Office 365 Management Console. So let's get into admin. So in the admin console, let's expand. We'll go to Exchange. So we'll go to Compliance Management. So we need to create a retention tag. The retention tag here is actually shows you what to do with the emails. So let's say, for example, we will create a new default mailbox retention tags. So this tag will apply to a default retention policy. Let's give a name. Retain email in 150 days. So what we'll do, we'll move to archive when the item, which is 150 days, and save. So now we will have retain email in 150 days as a retention tag. So the next thing, we need to create a retention policy. So let's go into retention policies. So in the retention policies, we need to create a new one called retention policy. This is just a name, so you probably need to create or give a meaningful name. So let's add. And we just double click on retain email in 150 days. This is what we just create from the retention tags. So now we click OK, save. And we have to go back to the recipients. So we need to apply onto the user mailbox. In this example, we double click on one of the mailbox, user mailbox, and we go into mailbox features. In retention policy, so we need to click the down arrow. We select the retention policy. This is the retention policy we just created. So now we save. Done. So we go back to the document. So now we assign the retention policy to the user mailbox. The next thing to do is enable in-place archive. So let's go back to the admin console. We highlight the user and scroll down, and you can see the in-place archive. We need to enable the in-place archive in order to have the Exchange server to move all the items into the in-place archive. So now we enable it, and yes. So now if you click on view details, you can see the size of the archive mailbox, because we just turn it on, so you wait some time for the effect. So basically, because I'm running a different license, so you can see that I have 100 GB available for archive. Let's go back, let's cancel, and then we'll come back later. Alright, so now we normally, Microsoft suggests we have to wait for 72 hours for the effect. So we can actually run the PowerShell command to enforce to archive now. So I will share the command in here in the video. So later on you can see what will be the command you can enforce the mailbox to be moved to archive. Okay, so now refreshed, so you can see the mailbox usage is 3.3 GB. So if you go into the real detail of in-place archive, so Suma, in 72 hours, you will see the size will increase in the archive usage. And also for all the archive mailbox, or you can say with the mailbox comes with the archive feature enabled. You can see there's an archive on the next to the user type. So, and that's it. So you're more welcome to leave any questions, or you can send us the email for further information. Thank you. Thank you for watching.